In today's digital age, social media platforms have become powerful tools for businesses to reach their target audience. Among these platforms, Twitter stands out as one of the most influential and effective channels for affiliate marketing. Many individuals have managed to turn their Twitter accounts into lucrative sources of income by leveraging the platform's vast user base and engagement potential. If you're looking to tap into this opportunity and make a fortune like these successful affiliates, keep reading to discover their strategies and how you can implement them. Building an engaged following. The first step in becoming a successful Twitter affiliate is growing your following organically. It's not just about increasing numbers, it's about attracting an engaged audience that resonates with your niche or industry. By consistently sharing valuable content, interacting with followers, and participating in relevant conversations, you can establish yourself as an authority figure in your field. Choosing profitable affiliate programs. Once you've built a substantial following on Twitter, it's time to monetize your account by promoting affiliate products or services. However, not all programs are created equal when it comes to earning potential. Research various affiliate networks and select programs that align with your audience's interests while offering competitive commission rates. Crafting compelling tweets. In the fast-paced world of social media, attention spans are short-lived. To capture the interest of your followers quickly, focus on crafting compelling tweets that grab attention within seconds. Use emotional triggers such as curiosity or urgency in your headlines to entice users into clicking on your affiliate links. Leveraging visual content. Text-only tweets can easily get lost among the sea of information flooding users' timelines every day. Therefore, incorporating visual content is crucial for standing out from the crowd. Utilize eye-catching images or videos related to the product or service you're promoting to increase engagement and drive more traffic to your affiliate links. Engaging with influencers. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can significantly boost your affiliate marketing efforts on Twitter. By partnering with influential individuals who have a large following, you can tap into their audience and gain exposure to potential customers. Reach out to relevant influencers and propose mutually beneficial partnerships where you promote their content in exchange for them sharing yours. Now that we've explored the strategies employed by successful Twitter affiliates, let's delve into why these approaches work so effectively. What you'll gain. Increased earnings potential. By implementing these proven tactics, you'll be able to maximize your earning potential as a Twitter affiliate marketer. Access to a targeted audience. With an engaged following that aligns with your niche or industry, you'll have direct access to a targeted audience eager for recommendations. Enhanced brand reputation. Building authority within your field not only increases trust among followers but also enhances the reputation of the brands or products you promote. Opportunities for collaboration. Partnering with influencers opens doors for collaboration, helping expand your reach and establish valuable connections within your industry. By following these strategies diligently, there is no reason why you cannot achieve success as a Twitter affiliate marketer like those who came before you. In conclusion, harnessing the power of Twitter as an affiliate marketer can lead to substantial financial gains if approached strategically. The key lies in building an engaged following, choosing profitable programs, crafting compelling tweets supported by visual content, and leveraging collaborations with influencers in your niche. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort and dedication over time. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Start implementing these strategies today and pave the way towards making a fortune through Twitter affiliate marketing.